There are people out there who finish 90% of their tasks before 10 a.m.
I know, I hated them too.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why they can do that and you can't, and it has nothing to do with discipline.
But before we get there, raise your hand if this sounds familiar.
You open your to-do list and immediately see that one task that's been staring at you for 3 weeks. You look at it, it looks at you. And then somehow 45 minutes later, you've watched a full documentary about carrots and you're eating banana porridge you didn't plan to make.
Turns out your brain has its own agenda and finishing your to-dos is not on it.
So let's change that in today's video. You already know what you should be doing today. You've known since you woke up.
And you still haven't done it.
It's not because you forgot. It's not because you don't care. It's because somewhere between waking up and sitting down to work, your brain made a deal you didn't agree to.
And your brain is very, very good at girl math. So it goes Instagram. Obviously.
This is called your dopamine budget, and here's how it works. Every single morning you wake up with a full account, let's say 100 points. So every time something feels good, your brain pays for it.
A funny reel, a notification, a text from someone you like. Sounds harmless, right? But by the time you've checked TikTok twice, saw what everyone did last night, replied to 15 messages, it's 9:30 a.m. and you already spent 80 points.
And now you open your laptop, full of good intentions. But our brain does this.
I'd love to help you with that. Unfortunately, we're almost broke, so I don't know. Let's try it tomorrow. See ya.
That's why you can't start, not because you're lazy, because you showed up to work already bankrupt.
Sounds familiar?
So here's the fix, and it's not what you think.
What if scrolling wasn't free anymore?
Right now, Instagram costs you nothing. You open it, you get dopamine, you close it, and then you open it again 3 minutes later.
Your brain loves this. It's like a vending machine that takes no money and you just need to press the button all the time.
But what if every time you wanted to open that app you had to pay first? Not with money, with work. It's called paying for your scroll.
So instead of work is hard, Instagram is free, obviously I take Instagram.
It becomes Instagram has a price and the only way to pay is to finish your tasks first.
Very funny, Zabi, but how do I do that? I'm glad you asked. The currency has a name. Strawberries.
Every time you finish a task, you earn strawberries.
I know how this sounds. A strawberry. It's a very intimidating productivity tool. I know.
Those strawberries are the only way to unlock your apps. If you want 10 minutes of scrolling, you have to check your wallet first. Not enough strawberries? No heyday. Simple. And I know what you're thinking.
But I could just open TikTok anyway. Yeah, about that? No.
Your apps are actually blocked, not hidden in a folder on page 4 next to the app you downloaded once in 2019 and never opened again. And the weird thing that happens when you set this up is that your brain stops fighting you. Because it's not being told no. It's being told not yet. Finish the thing first, then you get the reward. You could do this on paper, cut out little strawberries, make a list, put them in a jar, give yourself a reward when the jar is full.
I tried that. It lasted 4 days because I was too tired to draw more strawberries.
So I just built an app instead. It's called Do the Frog and it does everything automatically. All you need to do is just sit on your little cute butt and be productive. I know, it's a weird feeling at first.
Think of it as your job, but only with your phone, and it's way harder to cheat.
The reward doesn't even have to be screen time. You can set anything. A new book, a plant you've been eyeing for 3 weeks, whatever makes you go, okay, fine, I'll do the task. But we have one problem.
If strawberries come from finishing tasks, what stops you from just doing the easy ones?
Maybe reorganizing your desk or baking is a to-do of yours. Valid, very responsible of you, but we both know that's not what I mean.
It feels very productive just collecting your little strawberries and then scrolling.
Nothing what could stop you, expect this button. Login mode.
Sounds like what your parents called it when they took the Wi-Fi router to their bedroom at 10 p.m.
You turn it on, it cuts your list down to the only task where if that's all you did today, you'd still go to bed feeling like you did something. You can't get off this mode until you did those tasks, not even for a quick snack. Okay, maybe for a quick snack, but then back.
I mean, look what? I can't even trade strawberries for screen time. It's just you and lock-in mode and you're gonna be best friends. It's gonna take some time.
Because the moment you remove every easier option, the only thing left is the thing you need to do.
I built this app, by the way, almost entirely alone with a lot of sleepless nights and a lot of banana porridge, so it's still pretty new. So if you find a bug, just send it to that email address. We're gonna fix it. Hopefully. Maybe even in the same day, because I'm a little bit too obsessed to making this app good. For example, someone wrote us 4 weeks ago that they wish they could set their own customizable strawberry prices. Guess what happened? So if you have an idea, just send it. There's a pretty high chance that it will end up in the app. I won't promise it, but there's a high chance. That's the kind of deal with a one-person app. You write the app, and the app writes you back. But I mean, okay, if 2,000 people would write us, then watching this video instead of doing your tasks also counts as procrastination. You're welcome. Now go earn some strawberries.